Section 1. Introduction to Intelligent Investing. Becoming a millionaire isn't about luck. It's about strategy. In this video, we'll explore how the intelligent investor principles can guide you to financial success. Whether you're just starting or already on your investment journey, these timeless strategies will help you build wealth steadily and wisely. The key is to focus on long-term growth, not quick wins. By understanding the fundamentals of value investing, you can make smarter decisions that compound over time. Let's break down the steps to turn one into $1,000,000. Section 2. Mastering. The basics of value investing. Value investing is all about finding undervalued assets. This means looking for stocks or investments that are priced below their true worth. By doing your research and staying patient, you can buy low and sell high, maximizing your returns over time. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, swears by this approach. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Start small, stay consistent, and let compound interest work its magic. Section 3. Building a diversified portfolio. Diversification is your safety net. Instead of putting all your money into one stock or sector, spread your investments across different assets. This reduces risk and ensures that a single bad investment won't ruin your entire portfolio. Think of it like planting a garden. You wouldn't just grow one type of plant, you'd have a variety to ensure something thrives, no matter the conditions. The same logic applies to your investments. Section 4. Staying disciplined in volatile markets. The market will always have ups and downs. The trick is to stay calm and stick to your plan. Emotional decisions like panic selling during a downturn can derail your progress. Remember, every market crash is followed by a recovery. Use volatility to your advantage. When prices drop, it's an opportunity to buy quality assets at a discount. Keep your eyes on the long-term goal and don't let short-term fluctuations shake your confidence. Section 5. The path to $1,000,000 and your call to action. Reaching $1,000,000 is a marathon, not a sprint. By following the principles of the intelligent investor, you can grow your wealth steadily and securely. Start today, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building wealth. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to investing? Let's grow together.